Forgive me, Toolbox, for I've been working overtime. I grabbed my hammer, she said swing it slow, and drove it down deep where the wild things grow. My drill bit's humming, keeping steady pace. She said, baby, turn it up, let me feel that shake. These are my toolbox confessions. Every groove's got hidden suggestions. If it squeaks, I'll oil it. If it sticks, I'll press. Baby, I'll talk you into confessing the rest. She said measure twice, then cut it just right. I lined up my level where the curves run tight. That duct tape whispered, wrap it around slow. When the pressure builds up, let the overflow go. These are my toolbox confessions. Every socket hides new obsessions. If it leaks, I'll seal it. If it bends, I'll test. Nothing in this shop stays unstressed. Forgive me, Toolbox. Last night I sinned again. I grabbed the pliers in one hand and the socket wrench in the other. Two tools, one job, and I ain't stopping till the job's done. These are my toolbox confessions, and where the socket fits all my intentions. In the gospel of grease, I'll take no rest. Baby, I'm the bishop of your socket set.